extraordinary sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you live in the city or have a smaller property, you know that outdoor space is a premium. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim incredible square footage, get breathtaking views, and create a truly luxurious outdoor room right on top of your house? Today we're diving into the world of covered roof terraces, the ultimate upgrade for any modern home. We'll cover what they are, why you need one, how to decorate them, and then we'll show you the top 10 best covered roof terrace ideas using the incredible photos you sent over. Let's get started. A covered roof terrace is essentially an outdoor living area built atop the roof of a building, which includes some form of overhead structure for protection from the elements. Unlike a standard, fully open rooftop patio, the covered element is key. This covering can range from a sleek, retractable awning or a modern louvered pergola to a more permanent, solid roof structure. The intention is to seamlessly blend indoor comfort with an outdoor environment, transforming what is often an unused space into a functional, beautiful extension of the home, complete with dining, lounging, and entertaining zones, while offering essential shade and shelter from rain. The benefits of incorporating a covered roof terrace are numerous and significantly enhance your quality of life and property value. Firstly, it offers weather protection, allowing you to use the space during light rain or intense midday sun, drastically increasing its usable time throughout the year. Secondly, it provides an unparalleled opportunity to enjoy panoramic views that are typically unattainable from ground-level patios or balconies. Thirdly, it creates an invaluable and often rare private entertaining space, perfect for hosting guests or enjoying quiet time while feeling elevated above the surrounding neighborhood. Finally, from a design perspective, the addition of a covered terrace significantly enhances a home's architectural appeal and can offer a fantastic return on investment by adding desirable luxury square footage. Decorating your covered roof terrace involves a strategic approach to design, focusing on durability, comfort, and visual appeal. Start by establishing a cohesive color palette and style. Think Mediterranean, modern minimalist, or cozy rustic. Since you have a cover, you can treat this space more like an indoor room, incorporating luxurious elements like outdoor rugs to define zones and throw pillows for softness and color. Lighting is crucial. Use layering techniques with string lights, wall sconces, and perhaps a statement pendant light under the cover to create a warm, inviting ambience after sunset. Finally, use potted plants and vertical gardens to bring in natural elements, softening the hard lines of the architecture and connecting the space to the surrounding environment, making the terrace feel like a true elevated oasis. Choosing the right items ensures your roof terrace is both stylish and functional. The best items always start with high-quality, weather-resistant outdoor furniture, such as rattan-look seating, metal dining sets, or durable teak loungers, selected for their comfort and longevity. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace is highly recommended as a central gathering point that extends the usability of the space into cooler evenings. For food preparation, a compact outdoor kitchen or bar cart is a game changer. Finally, consider installing outdoor electronics, like hidden speakers or even an exterior television, to elevate the entertaining experience. Always prioritize items that are rated for outdoor use, especially for UV and moisture resistance. And to complete your inspiration, here are the top 10 best covered roof terrace ideas, providing you with fantastic inspiration for your own elevated sanctuary. One, urban alfresco dining oasis. A sleek, modern metal pergola with a partial retractable awning provides adaptable shade over a long, natural wood dining table. The contrast between the light wood and the dark gray walls creates a chic, contemporary aesthetic, beautifully framed by lush, tropical potted plants that introduce life and color to the high-rise view. 2. Elevated bar and grill with scenic views. This stunning terrace features a beautiful wood-slatted ceiling that provides filtered shade over a sophisticated outdoor kitchen and bar area. The high deck overlooks a shimmering infinity pool and vast green hills, making it the perfect spot for casual outdoor dining and enjoying magnificent panoramic views in a natural setting. 3. Grassy lounge under wood-slatted pergola. A truly luxurious setup where a synthetic turf ground cover gives the feel of a garden lawn high above the city. A gorgeous wood-slatted pergola casts beautiful shadows over the comfortable, oversized rattan-style sofa and armchairs, creating a perfect space for formal relaxation and conversation with a breathtaking urban backdrop. 4. Simple sanctuary with bioclimatic pergola. An excellent example of functional modern design. This wide, sleek pergola features adjustable louvered slats that can be manipulated to control sun exposure and ventilation. The simple concrete patio holds minimalist chaises for sunbathing or relaxation, set against a stunning natural hillside landscape. 5. Tropical poolside patio with fireplace. This design brings resort luxury home with a covered patio area adjacent to a sparkling pool. Key features include sturdy columns, a wood plank ceiling, and a magnificent stone-clad fireplace. The wrought iron and upholstered seating, accented by vibrant cushions, offers a classic, elegant space for gathering and enjoying the tropical climate. 6. Contemporary wood-clad urban dining area. A warm, inviting space defined by extensive use of natural wood for the flooring, overhead cover, and surrounding planter boxes, creating a cozy envelope in an urban environment. A modern, dark metal dining set is the focal point, surrounded by lush greenery that softens the architectural lines and offers privacy. 7. Modern minimalist retreat with clear roof. A contemporary space utilizing a clear, corrugated roof structure supported by a dark frame, maximizing natural light while offering rain protection. The clean white tiled floor and textured wicker seating set a calm, neutral tone, perfectly complemented by a modern outdoor fireplace integrated into sleek wooden cabinetry, leading seamlessly to an interior dining area. 8. The ultimate rooftop entertainment hub. This expansive terrace is a masterpiece of function, featuring a stunning outdoor bar with black cabinetry, a built-in pizza oven, and a barbecue area. The dark, solid pergola roof with integrated lighting and a ceiling fan ensures maximum comfort, while the patterned floor tiles and plush banquette seating define distinct zones for dining and unwinding. 9. Architectural rooftop deck with sculptural seating. A striking modern design featuring a multi-level wood deck and a dramatic open-frame pergola. The contrasting white sculptural seating and the built-in planters with low-maintenance greenery create a gallery-like atmosphere, perfect for sophisticated entertaining high above the surrounding buildings. 10. Fireside lounge under a lantern-lit pergola. Perfect for evening ambience. This covered terrace uses warm, strategically placed lighting to highlight the cozy seating area. A modern fire pit with glass shielding acts as the centerpiece, surrounded by plush, durable outdoor sofas and chairs under a wood-slatted pergola draped with hanging plants. From cozy dining nooks to full-scale entertainment kitchens, covered roof terraces offer a unique opportunity to expand your living space upward and outward. They prove that you don't need a huge backyard to have an incredible outdoor area. Sometimes all you need is a little vision and the right cover overhead. We hope these top 10 ideas have sparked your creativity and given you the inspiration you need to start planning your own elevated retreat. Which of these covered roof terrace ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning a terrace redesign, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury outdoor living ideas and home renovation tips. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next design breakdown.